If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you already know a little about this strategy and these patterns. You've probably seen these patterns on the charts, and you've also seen successful traders using this strategy, whether it's traders on YouTube trading live or your friends who are consistently profitable. Many of them use the same moving average and volume indicator. This is a strategy that can make it very easy for a new or struggling trader to become a successful trader in a short period of time. That's why this video is going to be very important for you. It could be one of the most valuable videos in your trading journey. So make sure you watch this video carefully from start to finish. The first indicator we use in this strategy is the volume indicator. When volume enters the market, it usually means that the market's next move is likely to be much easier to trade. This is because volume represents the number of orders and the number of traders participating in the market. When volume is high, it means the market is crowded with traders, and when there are a lot of traders in the market, it becomes much harder for big players, banks, and institutions to manipulate price. As a result, the market often gives us a smoother move and a cleaner trend. And when the market is moving smoothly, finding and executing a good trade becomes much easier. When volume is strong, we get two major advantages. First, the market tends to move more smoothly, making it easier to identify the overall direction. Second, the market is more likely to respect key levels. Whether it's a support area, a resistance area, a retest zone, or a moving average, price tends to react to these levels more cleanly when volume is strong. And when the market is moving smoothly while respecting important levels, it creates some of the best trading opportunities. The second indicator we use on the chart is the 9-period simple moving average. A 9-period simple moving average represents the average price of the last 9 candles. As new candles form, the moving average adjusts itself with the market, providing us with a dynamic support level. This indicator is very important because it helps us identify the most recent market direction while also giving us a dynamic area of support. When the market is trending smoothly, price will often respect this moving average and react from it, and those reactions can provide some excellent trading opportunities with clear and low-risk entries. Now, let's move on to the strategy itself and get started. In this video, I won't be covering all the trading rules that successful traders follow. My focus here is on the strategy. If you want to learn those important rules, you can watch my previous videos where I explain them in detail. The reason those rules matter is simple. No strategy can make you profitable if you don't follow proper trading rules and risk management. They are a critical part of becoming a successful trader. However, let me briefly mention 2 of them. First, limit yourself to a maximum of 2 trades per day. Choose one currency pair and focus only on that pair. Second, keep your risk fixed every single day. Never increase your risk because of emotions, confidence, or previous results. If you can follow these simple rules consistently, this strategy will become much more effective. Now, for a buy trade, there are a few conditions that must be met. First, we need strong volume in the market. Second, we need a clear uptrend structure. By uptrend, I mean the market should already be making higher highs and higher lows. As I explained earlier, once the market forms a valid structure and breaks out, we can start considering the trend as bullish. Third, the market should be moving with strength. We don't want a slow or weak market. We want to see momentum and a strong bullish move. And finally, the 9-period moving average should be pointing upward with a strong angle. Ideally, it should be clearly sloping higher, showing that the market is moving with strength. When all of these conditions come together, strong volume, a clear uptrend, strong momentum, and an upward moving average, we can then start looking for our buy entry opportunities. So, when do we actually take the buy trade? At this point, I need your full attention because this is where the strategy gets deeper. We already have strong volume, a strong trend, and a moving average pointing upward. Now we need to pay close attention to how the market behaves around support. If there is no obvious manipulation in the market, price will usually respect its support levels. As you can see in this example, the market respected the support and moved higher. However, we do not take the trade on the first touch of support. The reason is simple. The full conditions of the strategy have not been confirmed yet. What we want to see is the market respect the moving average once, move higher, and confirm that support. Then, when price comes back to that dynamic support for a second time, we start paying attention, but we still do not enter the trade immediately. We only enter when the market repeats its behavior. What do I mean by repeating its behavior? If the market respected the moving average the first time by touching it and immediately rejecting higher, then we want to see a similar reaction again. If the market went slightly below the moving average before rejecting and moving higher the first time, then we want to see a similar rejection pattern again. In other words, we are not just trading the moving average. We are trading the behavior of the market around the moving average. This is why successful trading is not just about following a set of rules. A profitable trader is someone who constantly improves their understanding of market behavior, market psychology, and their own emotions. And that is exactly what this strategy is built on. I hope you're following along, because in the next examples, this concept will become much clearer. The entry itself is very simple. Once all the conditions of the strategy are met, we only need a valid bullish confirmation candle to enter the trade. This can be a bullish rejection candle, a hammer candle, a pin bar, or a morning star pattern. For this strategy, we trading 5-minute time frame. So we need low commission broker. The broker I use is linked in the description, but you can use any broker of your choice. As soon as a valid bullish confirmation candle forms at our entry area, we can enter the trade. The stop loss should be placed below the low of the confirmation candle. For the take profit, I recommend targeting at least a 1.2 risk to reward ratio. This means if you are risking 10 pips, you should aim for a minimum of 20 pips in profit. Now, let's look at this example. As you can see, we already have a strong move in the market, and volume is looking very good. The first support reaction formed here, but we were not interested in taking a trade yet. Later, the market created another support and broke out to the upside. Then, when price returned to our dynamic support area, we got a strong bullish reaction. This is exactly what we were waiting for. Volume is strong, the market is in a clear uptrend, and the 9-period simple moving average is pointing strongly upward. That gives us a high-quality buy setup. We can enter the trade on the bullish confirmation candle, place our stop loss below the low of that candle, and target at least a 1.2 risk to reward ratio. Now, let's look at another example. Here again, volume is strong, and the market has already established a clear trend. If we focus on the 9-period simple moving average, we can see that the market respected it, reacted from it, and then broke lower. Later, when price returned to the same dynamic resistance area, we received another strong bearish reaction. This gives us a valid sell setup. We can enter on the bearish confirmation candle and place our stop loss just above that candle's high. So, that's the overall concept behind this strategy. As I mentioned earlier, the strategy itself is simple, but your success will depend on how well you understand market behavior, manage your emotions, and follow your rules consistently. I hope this video helped you understand the strategy and how to apply it in real market conditions. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future trading content.